Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Carr. It is, it is Monday, April 27th, and I am here for your rundown on science and how we're doing this week. First of all, if you don't know how I got to this page, then you do need to go back and check out the how to get to district curriculum video. There is a video of how I got to this page if you're not sure. All right, so we're starting a new unit. This week we're starting with structures and functions. Structures and functions. It sounds really fancy, but it's just a really fancy way of saying how different adaptations. So this week we're talking about how adaptations, structures and functions, of different species help them live and survive in their environment. Okay, so the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to watch this video. It's a Crash Course Kids, so so we know we like that one. So this is going to be pretty good for you. Click on there and then click on that link there, and it pops up here. And we don't want to. Oh, well, but anyways, you can see you're familiar with these with Crash Course Kids. You're familiar with her videos. Okay, so that's who that is. All right, so you can watch that, and then you're going to read about these adaptations. And again, you don't need to, you're going to click on that link and then open it up. Okay, and be very careful that you're reading at the directions, because it says you're going to read about the adaptations on page 1, but then there are some pictures of plants and animals and descriptions of the plants and animals on page 2 and 4. So you got to read about the adaptations first, and then you're going to look at these pictures. So be very careful about that. So here you're going to open it up, and you can leave it right here and read it from this page. You can download it and read it from that page, although it's going to look the same as this. Or if you really wanted to take it one step further, you could print it. You don't have to. It's not necessary at all. So you're going to scroll down, and so that's Charles Darwin, and you're going to read this very brief paragraph about Mr. Darwin, okay? And then after you've read this, okay, think about what you're reading, then you're going to look at these different pictures and their descriptions, and it's going to talk about the different adaptations. And so think about the structure and the function. And I'll go ahead and tell you for right now, for example, the structure here is this thick, waxy skin, and the function of that skin is to prevent the water loss. Okay. Again, the structure would be the strong hind legs, and the function is so that they can get away quickly. And you're going to see stuff like that all the time. So here, the structure is the webbed feet. That's the physical body part. And the function is so that they can help swim. Okay. And so anyways, you're going to look at these different pictures, because then after that, you're going to answer these questions back in the discussion post. So don't forget, you're going to come back into your Schoology tab. Well, mine's logged out. I have to log back in. But anyways, you're going to come back into this. You know where it is, guys. It's in the discussion post. You're going to answer these questions. Please make sure you check your answers here after you have thought about your answers. Please don't look ahead of time. Let's keep it honest here. Okay. And then after you have posted in the Schoology tab, right? So you're in here, you've posted your answers to these questions, okay? Then you're going to come back here for one final activity. You're going to create a key to success for a particular plant and animal of your choosing. So you're doing one for a plant and one for an animal. Any plant, any animals of your choice, right? So you're going to draw 2 large key shapes. So you're going to copy this onto your own notebook paper. And it's just the shape of a key. If you really wanted to, you could just print it out, although that's certainly not necessary and very easy to copy down. And then you're going to draw your plant on in the head of the key, and then list 3 key parts that allow the organism to survive in its environment. Okay, and then you'll do that one for the plant and one for the animal of your choosing. And that is it for today. Please, there's a couple of reminders. Don't forget, use Teams if you need questions. You can video us throughout the day. Please don't forget to go back and check your answers, your discussion posts later in the evening or the next morning before starting, so that you can see what the feedback is. All right, guys, we're off to a great start. Have a good day. Bye-bye.